In front of me is VIVO iQOO Z10 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox browser. When your app is ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll to click on Apps. Scroll again to choose Default Apps. And tap on one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on an app you wish to apply and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!